Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to create Iron Man armor at your home. Even you can create your own models at home. So, if you want to learn how to create an Iron Man armor at your home, then please do watch this video till the end so that you won't miss out any important points from this video. So, to create an Iron Man armor, you need to know the exact design of the parts. So, it's really a difficult task to just imagine the shape and to design it. So today I'm going to show you one application because of which you can create any 3D objects very easily at your home using paper or any other crafting materials. So what is that app? The app name is Pepakure Designer, and the latest version is the Pepakure Designer 4. As you can see over here, I have Pepakure Designer 4 to design and Pepakure Viewer 4 to view it. So now I'm going to show you, first of all I'm going to show you how to download Pepakure Designer 4 as well as the viewer. So first of all you need to go to your any web browser, and I have given this link in the description box. You can get the link from there. Just copy this link and download or click, so you'll be directed towards the Pepakure Designer 4 web page, and can see other. So now we have download Pepakure Designer 4. Current version is 4.0.7 and it runs on Windows 7, 8 and 10. So click on download Pepakure Designer 4. So you can see that it's 15 MB it's going to download, and after downloading you install it. So after installing you'll get the two things, that is Pepakure Designer 4 and Pepakure Viewer 4. So because of this you can easily create and develop your own models, 3D models. So now I'm going to show you a demo, but in my next video I'm going to give the detailed version of this. So now I'm doing this as a basic thing. So this is the sheet, so I'm going to open over here. I have a sports car, so you can see. So now if you want, you have different parts over here. So this gives you the design. So by seeing over here you can design the parts, like you can design the tires, like how the tires work, and these rods and the doors. So you can design, and it gives you the exact correct like what would be the shape, what shape if you keep the design will be perfect. So this will really help you to create any. This is like if you want to create a car for your RC model, you're creating a sports car, then this is one of the nice design to create. So you have different types, like the cover for the tires, the body part, full body part, and you have the side part over here and the other side parts. Then this is the main bonnet, the front part you have over here. This is under like how you can fix your vehicle. So by this you can create your own 3D models. Even you can create an armor, because first of all you need to design. You can create your own armor. So to create your own armor you need to create your crate. So I'm going to show you how to create new armors or any other vehicles like these vehicles in my next video. So please do subscribe this channel for more videos. So now after designing your armor or any model, what you need to do is just save this file, and you need to open it in the viewer. So now if you just want, like even you can for the car designers, if you want to draw the cars, so even you can do undo unfold. So okay, and this will give the parts, and by unfolding, so here you can, if you want to draw the outline in the book, then you can just click it over here like set material to faces. So all these. This will give you the design of these. So if you feel a little tough like while because of the colors, then you can just click on this icon and it will be without a color. So this shows the different parts. These belongs to the tires, and these are the cover for the tires, like the side covers, and there are many more things. And this is for the side part, the tires. So I have different things. So now I'm going to open this in the Papercure Viewer 4. So I have the Papercure Viewer 4 over here. So I'm going to open that file. So sports car. So here you have Papercure 4 viewer. So this is in this it shows the exact part, like can view it only that part. So if you click this, then this comes for the back rear right tire, then this is for rear left. Can see the spoilers, even the how to design the base thing, like can. So this will give the exact idea how you can design your own 3D model. So this is for the front windshield, like how to design it. This is the front bonnet part. Then this is for the side door, and this is the main central part. So, and you can even, so this will give you the exact idea of you can create your own 3D model. So even you have an option over here to view it. So if you go to view menu, and if you go to animation or control shift press it, so this will show you the animation thing. So you can zoom it and it will show you how it will create. So if these are the parts, then it's going to show the so the animation is going to show you how that thing is made. So this gets converted into a vehicle. So from this you can develop your own 3D models. So how to develop a 3D model in Papercure Designer 4, I'm going to show you in my next video. So if you like this video, please subscribe this video, and also please subscribe this channel so that you'll be getting more videos on Papercure Designer 4 and also be able to create your own 3D model. Thank you.